Welcome back. In this practice, we're going to find what value of x is that this quadrilateral can be a parallelogram. The first question gives us diagonals. Remember in the previous properties, we learned if it is a parallelogram, then its diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, we want AO equals CO. We want x plus 5 equals 2x minus 1. Then we go ahead and find out what the value of x is. We want this value, then we can have this quadrilateral as a parallelogram. That's the whole idea. Okay, we already set it up. Maybe you can pause the video, find what the missing value x is. Okay, do you have 6? 6 it is, so if it's 6 plus 5, that's 11. 2 times 6 minus 1, that's also 11. 6 is good. So when x is 6, this is a parallelogram. Okay, let's look at our next question. Next question, we're dealing with the angle measures. What the value of x is that this quadrilateral, let's call it ABCD, can be a parallelogram. Remember previously we learned if it is a parallelogram, then the consecutive angles are supplementary. Therefore, we won't set it as 4x plus 5x equals 180. We're going to solve for x. And x is? Right, do you have x is 20? Very good. So when x is 20, this is a parallelogram. That's how we solve a problem look like this. Happy learning.